Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to take a look into Zion Smooth 4 Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphone. It comes in this box. Cost is about $90 to $100. Online store like eBay and Amazon. If you open this box, you will get another box like this box. This is steady styrofoam box, and I really like about that one because when you get your tool like that, you have to take it with you, you have to travel, and it makes its life almost double. Now if you open this one box, you will get gimbal stabilizer by itself and mini tripod. It goes under, and you will get the charging cable. First, before you start using, you have to charge this one. They recommend fully charge it before you use, and simply you take this little tripod, is extend. It's easy to stand on the table, and you just take your gimbal and just tie it at the bottom. Charging cable goes on the side just to have it fully charged and be ready to use. Now we are going to balance. For balance, you're not going to turn on. So first we are going to mount our phone on gimbal as is right now. Just simply put your phone, and you have a little rubber cushion over here, put all the way, and you will feel like you take a lock off, you let it go. To make a balance, there's a little screw to adjust. There's a little adjustment. You can take it off, make a balance as much as you can do. If you're a little bit off, it will be fine because this gimbal is really strong and iPhone have not that much weight. According to the manufacturer, recommend the weight can it hold. We are going to turn power on. You are going to notice we have to press and hold the power button. As soon as it turns on, it goes straight. Now this will stay in balance. So there's also a button how you want to do. You want to lock and pan mode. Like now our gimbal is already balanced. In this part we are going to connect our Smooth 4 with the app. What you have to do, you have to download the app from Zion. It's called Zion Play. You just download and open. As you see, first place I have a good option, Smooth 4 connect now. What you have to do, if you don't see your Smooth 4 here, you can like slide and find your model. If you can find, just go here, find your model, whatever your model, and you choose, and then you just select. I have my Smooth 4 here. I will click connect now. Once I click connect, it's going to connect with the Bluetooth. It tells you for your device name, just say connect. Once you connect, you have to click enter now. You're already going to enter on your Smooth 4 app. Now you can take a lock off and your Smooth 4 is ready. Now you are also able to use some of the function from the app. Now let's go over some buttons here. First you will get LED lights here, a status of your battery plus power on and off. Then you will get the power on and off button. To turn power on, you have to hold for a couple seconds. Then the next one is like mode button. The top one is the pan follow mode and the bottom one is lock mode. And there's also two switches from the back side you can use to manipulate with those buttons. Then the next one is a record button. If you have a download your app on your cell phone, then your cell phone is already connected to the Smooth 4, then you are able to use those buttons like wireless. Otherwise you can also connect to your smartphone with the wired. There's also another port on the side of your Smooth 4 here, over here, to connect a smartphone. Then you have to be, you don't need to connect with Bluetooth, you can use as a wired. Then you have a here zoom button, zoom in and out. Your camera take a picture. You have a DLS display, menu bar, and you have a little joystick. You can go through all the menu in app, and you can use as a flash. You can switch those buttons. You can use this one as a zoom or focus. You can switch around those buttons. Now let's talk about this little tripod. As you see, this tripod is make really easy to stand on the table, but if you don't wanna, you wanna pick it, you can hold it and it will make really handy. And whenever you're done, you can just open it, leave it on. You can take it, this one off. This one is standard bolt and the nut. You can put this stabilizer on top of any tripod like a standard. So far we have already talked about the basic of Smooth 4 gimbal stabilizer for smartphone. I basically review any item after a couple times use if I have a downside or good side. So in next video we will review this gimbal and we will talk about if I have found any downside, good side, and we will also talk about this app functions. And now the next part I'm going to have some photos from this gimbal and regular tripod with walking. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with a new topic.